Could we hear it louder?
The match was it was not well contested match today. It was one-sided because we won by 3-0. Our player played excellent game. They didn't give the room to the opponents and won by 3-0. Easy. Total in team, I think individually they are good players, but could not combine themselves. They could not combine.
What was the reason for that?
Reason is they belong to the different places and what combined their own. They don't have the combined practice. That's why sometimes such team become combined easily, sometimes doesn't.
I'm very happy that Congoli Union, the club from Congoli, has successfully conducted this 4th All India Volleyball Tournament. In the state of Goa, I think there's no other tournament of this magnitude and scale. And I'm surprised that the Goa Volleyball Association has not been seen here, and it's in fact the association that has to take this sport forward. We try our best, and volleyball was a glorious sport in Goa, and we are doing our best for volleyball. I think somewhere something is missing, and I appeal to all concerned, particularly the volleyball lovers and the association, to come forward, assist us in strengthening this tournament further. In future, I think it's growing. It's everybody. In the last 4 years, if you see the kind of crowd that comes, it's really fantastic.
प्रुडंटा खातीर दत्तराज नाईक.